guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa again, and oh my gosh guys, we have a Kiwi Lane Club Kit here for the month of September. I know I'm skipping August, and you know why? I cannot for the life of me find my August kit, and I thought I put it in one place. I looked in that one place, it's not there, and I looked in the other places, and I about tore my my hair looking for it. I could not find it. Anyway, I'm gonna skip August and go straight to September and not stress over it. And let me show you what we have for September. So let's open up our box for September. OMG, happy life. It is so cute. I am so happy. I'm pretty much caught up except for August for our club kits. Anyway, let's go through our kit and open it up. Guys, there's 15% off this sets here until the end of the month if you haven't gotten this sets yet. And then it says here these are the sets for this month, so let's go look at them. Oh my gosh, big ones, big ones. Oh my gosh, how cool is this? You know, I'm thinking this will be good for wreaths. Now that I'm looking at them. Oh yeah, they may be cute for wreaths. And then this butterfly, we can turn this into a ribbon. Do you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? See? Can you see it? The ribbon? I see it. Anyway, see? A wreath. It's not perfect circle, but it could be a wreath. Okay. All right. I got so excited. Okay, so our butterfly is an a la carte flutterfly. We have an a la carte ribbon here. And then we have a la carte bouquet 1. And then an a la carte bouquet 2. An a la carte bouquet 3. And of course, the biggest of them all, the a la carte bouquet 4. I hope you can see that. Yep. Whew. This is so making me excited. All these templates for this month. Okay, so let me put them back in the bag. And now we're going to the cards. I like that they put the cards like this now. You won't be able to lose them. Okay, wow, this is a long one. Let's see how long this is. This is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 inches. Oh, how cool is that? Love life and be happy. I choose to be happy. I like that. Okay, guys, let's go through our cards real quick. And so that way we'll have time to do a layout. And then we go to our 4x4s. And then our 4x6s. Giggle time. And then of course we have our 8x4 over here that we had talked about earlier. So I'll put this back in the package before I lose them because I don't trust myself lately. Okay guys. It's time to look at our papers. And then we have our 2 background papers here. And then 2 more of the same print paper. Okay guys, I'll be right back. Let me think of a layout that I could work on for this month. See you in a few. Hey guys, so I am back and I had to print pictures because when I was going through this kit, I I just thought about Winnie the Pooh. Oh, I have promised you guys a while back that I'm going to do more Disney layouts. So I figured, why don't we shoot two birds with one stone? I'm working on the September kit and also work on Disney layouts today. So I printed this off my selfie. This is going to be a very simple layout because you know me, I try to be as simple as I can because I wanted to finish a lot of my layouts. I am behind everything, including my scrapbooking. And what really got me with this is my happy place. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this scallop border 3A, and that's all I'm going to use, and some strips. And I am also going to use this card that came with the kit. So let me go ahead and work on this, and I'll get back with you guys. I am using my mat here to line my paper right here because I want a 1 inch. I'm gonna short this by 1 inch as I put it down. I'm gonna have a 1 inch difference down here for the template. Okay, and then I'm going to turn this around and do the same thing on this side. Time to cut. I'm cutting a 1/2 inch strip off of this paper. I'm doing 2 half strips. Guys, it's now time to ink. It's now time to put our layouts together. I want to go ahead and ink this card too, just a little bit. Let's see how this will work. Okay, so since this is gonna be a little bit longer, I'm gonna have to trim the card down a bit by maybe 1/8 of an inch. So the selfie doesn't really cut up, doesn't really do a perfect 4x6. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this down a bit. Make sure that that's right. That they're the same height. Okay, they are. Okay guys, so I'm gonna lay this down first. Just so I have a bit of a guide, if you will, on how we will lay the pictures on. Okay guys, so very easy, right? So happy I finally got this layout down. Anyway, you can never have too much happy. I hope you enjoyed watching me put this layout together. If you have any questions or comments, please place them down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, please share it with people who you think you would enjoy it too. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And if you're watching this up at this point, thank you so much, guys. And yep, that's it. We'll catch you later. Bye.